everyone, welcome to the Supporting Details practice video. Remember, the structure of a paragraph is something like a house. The main idea is kind of like the roof. It's the biggest idea, the overarching idea. The major supporting details are like the walls of the house. They provide support for the roof, the big overarching idea. And then the minor supporting details are like the bricks in the foundation. They're smaller details, smaller ideas, but they provide support for the major details that hold up the idea that is the main idea, the most important idea in the paragraph.
Also, remember that supporting details are often introduced by transition words. Words like first, next, finally often introduce major details. Words like for example, for instance, one such case often introduce minor details. Let's try one. Have you ever put off doing something until the last minute? There are many reasons for procrastination. First, fear of failure may cause people to delay starting on a task that seems overwhelming. Another reason that people procrastinate is that they are busy with other tasks. For example, they may have a more important task to complete before they can begin a new one. What is the main idea? The main idea is sentence 2. The words many reasons tell us that a list is coming. The details of the passage are the reasons. Sentence 1 was the hook sentence. It introduced the topic. Remember, the main idea sentence will never be a question. Sentence 2 is the author's point about the topic, and it is supported by the rest of the sentences in the passage. Is sentence 3 a major or minor detail? Major detail. The transition word first is a clue. Sentence 3 gives the first cause in the list. Is sentence 5 a major or minor detail? Minor detail. The transition words for example are one clue. Sentence 5 is a minor detail supporting the major detail introduced in sentence 4. Now try this one. Although they are different in some ways, there are many ways that community college students are similar to students at four-year universities. Both must spend time outside of class studying in order to succeed. Both will make decisions during the course of their schooling which will affect the rest of their lives. Successful completion of a student's course of study at either institution will result in increased earning potential. Can you find the main idea? Stop the video and restart when you are ready to check your answer. Sentence 1 is the main idea. The words many ways tell you that the details of the passage will be a list of ways that community college students and university students are alike. How many major details can you find in this passage? Stop the video and restart when you have a number in mind. There are 3 major details in this passage. Both must spend time outside class to succeed is the first major detail. Both will make decisions that will affect their lives is the second detail. Both will have increased earning potential is the final detail. Need more practice? Check out the resources folder on our MOOC. Thank you for completing the Learn to Find Supporting Details practice video.